The 3D printer next to me is an industrial-grade DLP device. Our company has various models of DLP equipment which meet your different needs. In this video, I'll show you why our 3D printer produces such excellent printing results. First, let me explain in detail what some of its components are like. The main body of this machine is made of stainless steel with a paint process, giving it an industrial and technological feel. Underneath the machine, there are 4 movable wheels and fixed feet for stability. As you can see, this is a top-down DLP 3D printer, which is relatively rare in the market because it produces higher complexity prints. However, the advantages of top-down printing are obvious. It requires fewer support structures and no need to change release films. The 4K light engine adopts air cooling for heat dissipation and uses sliding rails to control printing. Next is the resin tank, which can be upgraded for deeper printing depth and is also a pull-out type for easy resin replacement. The sliding rails feature a dual-rail design, and the scraper is equipped with a liquid level monitor. Moving to the side, you can see the stepper motor, ensuring stable machine operation. Here we have the dehumidification device, which is silent and minimizes noise. On the front, there's a USB interface for easy printing from a USB flash drive, along with operational buttons for controlling the printer's functions and lighting. If you're interested, feel free to leave a comment or send a private message, and I'll provide more detailed information.